How to log into Hong Leong Online Bank. Hey everyone, this tutorial is going to be about how you can easily log into Hong Leong Online Banking. Let's get right into the video. First thing first, open up any web browser you have and then simply search for Hong Leong and then hit enter. And now from here you can just open up the first link that you see, or you could just click on the bank. And once you have opened up the link, then what you need to do next is simply tap on the login option. So open up all of these websites and you'll be taken to the official website. So once you are here, what you need to do is scroll down, and here you're going to be finding the login option. So once you get to this page, you just tap on the online banking section at the top right. And then from here, select business or personal. I'm just going to select the first one. Now you'll be taken directly to this login portal where you have to enter your username and password. Simply enter your username, and once you've done that, click on next. And if you've forgotten your username and password, you can click here to reset it. And if you're new, you can register for online banking here as well. For that, you need to select your ID type, select what kind of ID you want to register with, and then simply enter your ID number. Keep tapping next and just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. So that's how you log into Hong Leong Online Banking. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'm going to catch you on the next one.